Okay, I want to show you around Educare Finance. So, Educare Finance is a complete finance solution, but this is specifically designed for schools, although it also works in different industries. So, basically, it handles every single bit of finance from all collections to all expenditures, and it helps in your finance planning. It also has a wallet system. It has deep analysis that can help you visualize different parts of accounts, and it also has an inventory system. So let me quickly walk you through Educare Finance. First is account list. So at Educare Finance, in the account list, you can be able to see all the different bank accounts that you have for with different purposes. You can have bank accounts added here. You can also have the ledger accounts. From here, this is where you can easily add your bank account, and then automatically the system detects the name, and then you can add. You have different banks currently in the system, so you can always add as much as you can. Then we have the chart of account. So from the chart of account here, you can now chart your account properly. So if you already have a template, you can import it here. We already have an option for you to import the template here. Secondly, we already have some pre-populated templates that you can use. So you can upload your templates here. You can also, once you click on pre-populate, the system carefully populates everything that we have. We have a standard school chart of account that you can use. So you can delete, you can add, you can edit. So all these things are available here. So now we have the balance sheet configuration. This is where you can configure your balance sheets and also your trial balance. Then we have account setup. From here, you can be able to activate payment gateway. These payment gateways are activated for online payments. So we have Switch app, we have Rave, we have OPay, Paystack, PayU. So any of the ones you make active, you can use it to accept payment from parents through different means, transfer, card, USSD, and all. Now we have the account heads. From here, you can be able to set up your account heads. These are the accounts that can help you visualize all your transactions, set up financial year and account operations. These are the things you can do. From here, if I click on this, this is where I can visualize my account. Let's say school bill account head. I can see the brief analysis, expected income, completed payment, debt, pay fees paid, issue discount, claim discounts, and total installments. And once bills are generated, you can see the children and all their bills here. You can see the ones that are paid and ones that are not paid. You can also generate brief reports as you wish. So this is how it is. Creating bills is super easy. So for you to create a bill for an entire school, you can do it like in 2 minutes. Just do basic setup, add your logo, add the color you wish. Once you add them, you can go ahead, do your basic setup, add the category, and then add the credit fee types. Once you are done with that, you can now create the bills, and then once you are done, you publish. It's as simple as that. If you want instrumental payment, you can activate it at the point of final billing. If you want anything you want, you can do it. This is how flexible and powerful the system is. So now, beyond just that, we have the discounts. So you want to issue all kinds of discounts, the exact fee discount, the percentage type discount, giving it any type of discount name, sibling discount, last child discount, staff discount, either by item scope or by invoice scope. We have all these things done in our system. You can add, you can link to children, you can delete, and everything is here in the system. Then we have the inventory management. Here you can be able to manage your entire inventory accurately, managing your suppliers, managing all the items you supply and all the items in your inventory. You can also set your low stock alert, and then as you are taking out item, is deducting, and you have a proper log of every single activity here. We have the warehouse. Warehouse is usually very beneficial for schools who have multi campuses. So the main campus can always be like where they have all their items together. So other campuses can request. That's where you see the stock up request and also some of these things here. So we have it here together. Then we have the store pickup unit. So pickup unit is basically for items that have been ordered, maybe by online. Because the good thing about this the thing system is that items that are all the items in the inventory, if you want them to show online, you can activate them, and parents can just go there like Amazon.com. They can go there, buy item, and from here they can be issued to the children or to the parents. So these things are very easy to visualize. Then we have the appointment manager. So you want to be able to create, allow parents, for instance, if you go to this appointment manager here, you want people to be able to book appointments. Once they book appointment, they can pay for, let's say, if you want to come and pick their item or do their measurements. Once they book appointment, you can visualize it here, And then if I click on this, you can see who booked the appointment and the time. No two people can book appointment at the same time. So we have all these things in our system here. The storefront desk is basically where, let's say, you can use it to issue students some certain things and then charge them. So this is here. Then the budget management. So the budget management, you can create your budget, you can set up your item, create your budget, and then everything is being done exceptionally well. So we made it flexible that you can do budget for by timely, by monthly, by annually, by standard. Budgets are being done annually. So you can create your budget. Creating your budget, you can put all the expected revenue item, and once you start filling in the data, the system does the computation behind. We have the requisition, we have the fully automated requisition, and we have the manual requisition. The fully automated is whereby you fund your Rave wallet, and once you fund your Rave wallet, then of course from there, once someone initiates a requisition and someone approves, and once it's authorized, the money leaves the system. So there's absolutely no cash exchange. So all requisitions of all types, once they go through the system, money is completely handled efficiently, and the theft and all those things are completely removed. Then we have the manual one whereby, of course, they get it from petty cash. So just making requisition is super easy. Just choose it and probably the destination account or the type, and then that solves it. Then we have the direct post. So direct post is basically where you capture other transactions. I mean, especially the expenses. Just put in the transaction name, select the chart of account. The chart of account, we already know whether it's debit or credit. So once you put it there and then generate the reference and then add to list, automatically the system categorizes it for you. So all the expenditures, irregular revenue that are not, let's say, school fees. Maybe someone came to book for school hall or something. So we capture these transactions here. So direct transfers is also an easier way to be able to initiate transfer directly to different staff in the system. Petty cash is a system whereby you can handle petty cash in the system. Then salary advance are for staff who want salary advance for one reason or the other. They can initiate the request here and you can approve. And once it's been authorized, this money goes to the system straight up. Payroll is basically the easiest way to pay salary. So how do you pay salary? Just look at it, click on this, generate the batch. Once you generate the batch, confirm, and then that's done. From here, you can now process payment. Of course, you have to vet all the staff and ensure that the records are accurate. Once you finish vetting all the staff, automatically you can process your salary, and that one is completed. Then, of course, the bonus tracker, whether you are giving them bonuses or deductions, this is where you set them up. Then the broad view is basically when you now visualize the account. That's when you do all the deep analysis that you want in your account. Then the financial statement is where you now visualize both the income and expense. This is the income statement, and also we have the balance sheet and also the trial balance here. Cash transactions basically where you can be able to visualize all the transactions. So normally where what happens is that, let's say there's an issue, a particular transaction was done by mistake. This is where you can recall it and everything. Yes, then also this debt memo is basically where you set your reminders. So let's say people that are owing fees or something. This is where you set your reminders, email reminder and SMS reminder. And you can just say, hello, Mr. First name, you are owing amount. The system does capture the real data and send. Then we have the form fare. Form fare basically for schools that are having form fare, you have some items in your form fare. Once you click, you share this link with them, or you can see they can pick items they want and they can proceed to pay. So these things are available in the system here. Then, of course, every other thing has a setup. You can do the setup and add your items to which the livestock are for schools who have poultry and they want to also manage their poultry inside the system. So we have the system that carefully handles that from beginning to the end. So now, aside from that, also we have the wallet system. So what the wallet system does is that the wallet system helps you to be able to help parents. Situations whereby a parent probably just want to pay like 5 million or 2 million or wants to deposit different random amounts that are not actually fee money, or there is an extra payment. So this is where we deposit the money, and the money here can now be used to be able to make clear some bills in the system. So the wallet also helps parents who probably want to plan themselves, can deposit the annual fee or 2 years fees in the system here. And the good thing is that the wallet money is not transferable, so it's 100% secure. So there's no way anybody can manipulate anybody's wallet money. So this is being done here, and the pocket money is also very good for parents who, I mean, for schools who want to allow children keep pocket money. So this is where parents can upload pocket money, and then they can children are transacting, buying things on the top shop and the rest. The parents can know exactly what the children buy, and they can categorize that. So this is at a glance what Educare Finance looks like. I hope you find it very useful for your school. Thank you.